Okay, movie night. What are we watching? Action, comedy, drama?
I vote for The Remote Stays in One Place, a tale of endless scrolling. Riveting.
How about a nature documentary?
Is there food in it?
Probably not the kind you'd enjoy. Buttons.
Then what's the point?
Right. Because the entire animal kingdom exists just to inspire your snack cravings.
Okay, how about a romantic comedy?
Nothing like watching humans embarrass themselves for love. Truly inspiring.
Do they eat pizza in it?
Buttons, you have one interest, and it's not helping.
His interest is entirely valid. Food never lets you down, unlike, say, that Wi-Fi signal.
Fine. We'll watch a mystery.
A mystery about missing snacks?
Oh, let me guess, the butler did it, and the pizza never arrived.
Okay, fine. We'll watch whatever this is.
Ah, a bold choice. Selected in sheer frustration. A classic Raven move.
I smell popcorn crumbs.
The real mystery, why Buttons is still here, dreaming about food that doesn't exist.